Hello, and thank you for taking a look at our business plan specific for a physical therapy practice. Very quickly, I'll go through the document and I'll show you the financial model. It has a automated table of contents, so as you add content, these page numbers will automatically adjust for you. It starts with the executive summary outlining the operations of the business. And all of the charts and graphs that you see can be modified specific for the needs of your organization. Chapter 2 is an overview of the financing and how much money you're looking to raise. Chapter 3, an overview of the physical therapy services offered. Chapter 4 is the industry analysis, which is current through this year. Chapter 5 is your marketing plan. Chapter 6 is an overview of your organization. And the headcount and payroll can be adjusted as well, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Chapter 7 is the financial plan, which is done on a 3-year basis and has a profit and loss statement. Cash flow analysis. Balance sheet. Break-even analysis and business ratios. And then in year 1, we break down the profit and loss monthly. And it's quarterly for year 2 and quarterly for year 3. And the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year, quarterly for year 2, and quarterly for year 3. Let me just scroll back up real quick. And here's the financial model. Very easy to use. Most things are done right on this one tab. Here you put in your expenses. You can add additional revenue centers as needed. One of the things you may have noticed right away is this dashboard here. And this lets you see in real time any changes, how the changes you're making are impacting everything else. So for instance, let's set the first month revenue for physical therapy at $75,000. As you can see, the dashboard automatically updated, and that carried throughout everything else in the plan as well. Your facility costs, again, any of these changes will be reflected here. That way you don't have to flip back and forth. Once you do that, you put in your salaries and your headcount, and out comes your payroll table. Your source of funds and your use of funds, you modify that there. And out comes your profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, those expanded profit and loss statements you saw at the end of the plan. Same deal with the cash flow analysis, your revenue overview, loan amortization table, tax assumptions, break-even analysis, and your business ratios. And that's essentially it. Certainly if you have any questions, feel free to reach us anytime, and thank you very much for taking a look.